Hi guys. Previous time upload one video about the how to download LinkedIn video without software. So this video a lot of people asking is not working for this video. Due to regarding this option will remove from the LinkedIn option actually. The reason is called we can't download video without software. So it's a new feature is came for LinkedIn video download option that is called go to LinkedIn option. What are the video you can download? Select the video will be right click is not working properly. So how we can copy the video link? That is called who can post your link. The video you can copy by particular things. Select option here. That option name is called copy link to post. The website name is called keepoffline.com. Keepoffline.com. Here we can download for online LinkedIn video downloader. This is how you can using for software. Just link the click and your download option. The video show to the customer will be here. Now here MP4 and MP3 two version will be available on your particular video download. Compulsory remember any user will be upload video we can download. If anyone share video for other people video we can't download. Compulsory own user who can upload the video we can download by using LinkedIn, copy link to post, link copy, click for download. So here will be there, click for download option. Download will be done within a fraction of seconds. So this is the option name is here. Please write down the URL. I'm keeping on the notepad. Write down this URL. This URL will be there for YouTube video description option. Keepoffline.com online iPhone, LinkedIn iPhone, video iPhone, downloader. This is a future you can go for download the LinkedIn videos option.